Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Today, I'm feeling a little bit better than my previous video. That was a bomb. I wasn't feeling well, but today I'm feeling better. I already have my eyebrow. So, without wasting much of your time, let's get the video rolling. We are doing a very soft makeup look. Get it? Something soft. But I already have my eyebrow, and the pencil I used for my eyebrow was not Anastasia, Floma Cosmetics eyebrow pencil in the shade bitter brown, and I use Elegant Pro concealer in the shade medium beige to clean my brow. I'm using that same concealer on my eyelid as my eyeshadow base. I'm using my setting powder from Floma Cosmetics loose powder to set the concealer. I'm setting to prevent creasing, to prevent my eyeshadow from creasing. This BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm using this shade as my first shade. I'm using this brush, don't laugh. I'm going in with a very soft look for today. Soft. I'm just brushing that shade all over my eyelid. I'm using it all over my eyelid, not any pencil. I want my inner corner, this place, to be brighter, so I'm using this Dahlia concealer. It's a green concealer to lighten up my inner eye area. Now I'm using this lighter shade in the BH Cosmetics palette to set that concealer into place. Oh, I'm using that same brush which I used earlier on, and going back to that same first shade, this, to smooth out my edges. I'm going in with this Beauty mascara. My lashes on my eyeliner. I promised to do a video on how I apply my lashes. People requested I do a video on how I apply my lashes. I'm going on with my Benefit for Professional as my primer. My pores are like boreholes, very big, and I'm taking some small amount of powder on top of it, on top. That's the areas I have my pores. So straight to foundation. This beauty blender is funny. I'm going in with I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade medium beige. I'm even running out. So I'm going in with the dark shade. To set my highlighted place, I'm using a different setting powder, benign luxury powder, to set places where I highlighted. To bake, I'm using Floma Cosmetics loose powder to bake. To bake because I have oil manufacturing company on my face. To set areas where I contoured, I'm using my Banus palette in the darker shade to set. I'm going in with my highlighter to highlight my brow bone. If you see me looking this way, I have all my tests here. That's why I keep on looking that way. To set my eyes, I'm using this Kiss Beauty setting spray. Yes, I'm using a generous amount. Feel me? Okay, from Floma Cosmetics. And the one I'm using is Beauty Creation Highlighter. I'm glowing. My brow, my brown pencil to line my lips. Lipsticks for today is classic makeup lipstick in the shade Millbrook and NARS. I'm going in with the classic first.